Hello, I'm Tristan from Custom Carpentry. We specialise in making bespoke fitted furniture, and today I'm going to show you some carpentry tips. Okay, so today I'm using the crimper. We've got a big proper crimper here, and this is a crimping tool which is also handy for cutting, for wire stripping. It's also good to have. It's a lot smaller than this one, and with this crimper, although it's got a lot more strength and it's easy to use, it's a lot heavier. So to use the crimper, you get two bits of wire. You get a little crimp which looks like this. Put it over the wire. Then you get, there's a red setting, a blue setting and a yellow setting. The red setting is for the red crimps over here. The blue setting is for these ones. So I'm using the blue in this example. So you just get it on there and you squeeze all the way. Then you turn it round to the other side and squeeze that way. So it applies the right amount of pressure and it crimps the wire nicely. With this multi-combination crimper, as I say, you can cut the wire with the ends like this, and then you've got two holes where you can strip the wire. So you just put it in one of the holes and pull like that. And then if we're using, say, the red crimper, crimp, put it in the crimping side and squeeze nice and tight. So it's nice and secure like this. And that's how we use the crimping pliers.